Hello, and welcome to another episode of Fequiere Fitness TV. I am your host, Daniel Fequiere, health and fitness coach. And today, guys, we're going to be focused on some glute workouts. That's right, some glute muscle building. That's right. Hey, for any ideas, please comment below and let me know what you'd like to see next. Let's get started. Dance, 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 dance. Exercise 1. Single leg deadlifts left leg. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Shift the weight to your left leg and stand bending at your waist, tipping your upper torso forward until it's almost parallel with the floor. Simultaneously lift the right leg backward. Hold the dumbbells in each hand and make sure to keep perpendicular to the floor at all times. Slowly begin lowering your right leg forward and lifting your upper torso until you're standing again. That's 1 rep. Complete 40 reps. Exercise 2. Single leg deadlifts right leg. Repeat the same steps from the left, but now over to the right side. Complete for 40 reps. Exercise 3. Donkey kick right leg. Start on all fours with your knees about hip width apart. Place your hands under your shoulders, neck and spine neutral. Begin by slightly lifting your right leg off the floor, knee bent at a 90-degree angle. Place the dumbbell behind your right knee using your upper calf and hamstring muscle to hold in place. Use your glutes to press your foot directly toward the ceiling and squeeze at the top. Return to starting position. That's 1 rep. Complete 40 reps. Exercise 4. Donkey kick left leg. Repeat the same steps from the right leg, but now over to the left. Complete 40 reps. Exercise 5. Single leg glute bridges left leg. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet shoulder width apart. Place your feet about half a foot to a foot away from your glutes. Lie dumbbells on your pelvis. Lift your left leg from the floor and extend it out straight about 6 inches from the floor. Drive through your right heel and raise your hips off the ground until your knees, hips, and shoulders form a straight line. Squeeze your glutes, then lower back to the starting position. That's 1 rep. Complete 40 reps. Exercise 6. Single leg glute bridge right leg. Repeat the same steps from the right leg, but now over to the left. Complete 40 reps. Alright guys, another tough workout in the books. Hard glute workout today, guys. Hey, if you haven't already, comment below and let me know what you'd like to see next. As well, don't forget to grab a copy of my ab workout book for women, available at fequierefitness.com. And if you haven't already, give a like and subscribe to the page. Dance, 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 dance.